What did you have to do to become a member of this team to go to Holland?
Well, first of all, you had to participate in the national round, which was held on St. Martin, and that was via schools. So different schools pick students of their selection to go for it and participate. What we did, we had a case from the previous year. You got it. You went under lawyers as well, and you worked on this case. Of course, dedication, time was taken in, and then you participated and competed against the different schools on St. Martin.
How was that experience?
It was an amazing experience. It was my first time participating in moot court. I came from the LU team. I was chosen as the best for our trial. And so it was a great learning experience because we got to be coached by amazing lawyers, and I made amazing friends with people here who I definitely will always be friends with, as well as got to meet very interesting people in Holland and get to speak in front of very prestigious lawyers and judges, and that was an honor in itself.
Yeah. And what about you, Ariel? Tell me about your experience.
Also think it was amazing. I mean, all of us consider it very fun, but fun for us is being in the courtroom and, dealing with our speeches and working on real life cases. Well, it's fake cases, but they're just like mock real cases. And just being able to get out there and work in the workforce and pretend to be and do what people actually do out there was a great experience.
Martin is a force to be reckoned with. We had very powerful speakers, and a lot of people were like, oh my God, that's St. Martin, they were really that good.
It was Lexwell that organized this because they realized that the majority of the lawyers that we have on the island aren't actually from St. Martin, they're imported from Holland. And so they wanted to get involved in the community, and their, Willem Nelison's idea was to do the moot court competition because it gets the youth involved and it will encourage people to join.
At the end, when you said the conclusion,
Yeah.
maybe you should, give some examples of what other feasible measures the army can be doing.
Het is een simulatie van de International Criminal Court.
Aan het begin dacht ik, het is een crimineel, maar nu denk ik nee, misschien niet. Omdat ik zoveel argumenten en feiten heb gevonden dat anders zegt.
Er is dus een burgeroorlog in Chiquitalo.
Chiquitalo, dus het fictieve land, bestaat eigenlijk niet. Het ligt ergens rond de Evenaar.
Tijdens het Internationaal Moot Court strijden teams van scholieren uit de hele wereld een week lang om de titel beste verdediger of beste aanklager. In 2016 draaide de fictieve zaak om de burgeroorlog in Chiquitalo. In deze zaak wordt wapenleverancier Eric Maxwell door het internationaal strafhof aangeklaagd voor oorlogsmisdaden en misdaden tegen de menselijkheid. Scholieren uit 12 verschillende landen kwamen in 2016 naar Den Haag om te laten zien dat zij het beste kunnen pleiten en het dus in zich hebben om met één van de titels naar huis te gaan.
Welcome everyone, welcome to The Hague. I know you all have been working very hard. I'm sure that all your skills will be tested this week.
I expect the couple of days to be very difficult, long, hard work.
We are planning to kick butt. We are not going in softly, we're going in full force.
Well, I expect to learn a lot in terms of public speaking, in terms of getting better at arguing your side, being persuasive, but also about, international crimes and the people that commit them and the people that, punish those people.
It's actually very, very, very important to have these things because not only do we get an experience of what it's like to be a lawyer, but we also realize that these things are actually happening and that somebody needs to stand for it.
I know that they're high school students, but when they get behind the lectern, they give the impression that they are there as advocates, as counsel for the prosecution or for the defence.
I'm sure at some point some of them will be kicking us out of our jobs and taking over, and be happy for that to happen.